Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you own the Samsung A04E. This matters legally and technically. Once done, back up your data to Smart Switch or Cloud so nothing is lost. Make sure the phone is charged above 50% and connected to stable Wi-Fi or a computer. Doing so prevents interruptions and speeds recovery. Do not attempt to remove device management without authorization. Instead, prepare the necessary documents and account credentials you will need when you contact the administrator or Samsung support for a legitimate removal. You should contact the MDM administrator or your organization's IT help desk as the next step. This is the correct, authorized path. Explain why you need the MDM removed and provide the proof of ownership and device identifiers they request. Make sure you have account usernames, passwords, and any corporate admin codes on hand. These will often be required. If the device is personally owned, reach out to Samsung support or your carrier through official channels to request guidance on legitimate. Once you have authorization, follow the administrator's or Samsung's official removal steps. These may include signing into the registered account, approving a release, or a supervised factory reset. Make sure to follow each step exactly and restore your backup afterward. If credentials are lost, use account recovery options and present proof of purchase to support teams. If things go wrong, escalate to your carrier or an authorized Samsung service center. They can verify ownership and complete the removal safely and legally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.